Hey kiddos, so we have a video here on the circumference of a circle. Now there's two circles that we could use. We can have a circle where it tells us the radius here is, let's say, 2 inches. Or we can have a circle here where it tells us the diameter is 2 inches. Either way, we have two formulas for that. You can either use circumference is 2 times r times pi, or you can use circumference is the diameter times pi. If you think about it, that says that I can take this diameter and put it around my circle about 3 times, but it's about 3.14. So this is pretty simple. You use a calculator. So circumference is 2, which doesn't go anywhere. The radius, which comes from here, because radius is half, 2. And then pi. Pi can always be rounded to 3.14. That should be in your notes somewhere. 3.14. So then we end up with something like this. And if I look at my calculator, that puts me at circumference equaling 12.56 inches, which means this circle is 12.56 inches around. Diameter, a little bit easier. We come over here, and if we have the diameter that's 2 inches, we're just going to go circumference is diameter 2 times pi, which is 3.14. So then circumference just becomes 2 times 3.14 on my calculator equals 6.28 inches. Nothing more than that. There's two formulas for circumference. We have circumference is 2 times r radius times pi, or simply circumference is the diameter times pi. And all you need is a calculator. So hopefully this helps. Hope you enjoy.